Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Today I'm going to be discussing the difference between the Professional Series and the Pro Reference Premier Series from Klipsch on their architectural wall speakers today. You can see I have them both laid out here. I did do an unboxing of each individual one, but now I want to take a closer look at what is the $100 cost difference. You got a $350 and a $450 price point on these guys. So as you look at the speaker itself, the ceramic metallic woofer is actually the same on both. The tweeter appears to be the big difference between the two. First things first, one's rotatable. You can actually move it left and right towards your target seating area. One is not. This is all hard plastic. This is kind of a soft 90 by 90 horn. Both have their Klipsch technology in them, and they both have titanium dome tweeters. Oh, and on the front, they both have treble and bass adjustments. So let's take a look at the back of the speakers, because this kind of gives you a better visual of the difference. So this is the Professional Series, and this is the 16RW. If you look here, woofer is pretty much identical, except for this has a bigger magnet, so a little more power to it. You can actually see when you put them side by side, it's apparent. The board is built in a different direction, and the horn is differently. You can see this one, it can be rotated left and right. Looks like the power rating on both woofers is 50 watts. So, which one sounds better? Hard to say. We're gonna have to get it hooked up and do a demo for ourselves. But the price difference on these speakers is $100. This is the front of the RPW, Reference Premier, and the front of the Professional Series PRO-160. And Grayson actually just installed both of these, so you guys can get a real life situation of what this looks like. In the rear of the room, we're using the RPWs. And this does have a magnetic grill. I actually have them right here. So the grills on both are the same, so it doesn't matter which one you put on. That's the final product of the RPW. And if you could show me this one, Gray. This is the Professional Series. Very clean design, and it does have that rotatable 90 by 90 horn there. What's cool is that the whole entire tweeter moves, like the cabinet itself. On a lot of these speakers that we install, just the tweeter rotates, but not the horn. I think that's pretty cool that Klipsch does that. And then the magnetic grill, which matches the rear. We're just using this to help project this towards the target seating area a little bit better. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this informative video about the Klipsch architectural line. We do ship nationwide with free shipping, and if you live in the Dallas area, we'd be happy to do the installation for you. Make sure to subscribe down below for more videos, and comment, like, and share. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.